Hi, my name is Bob, and I approve this message.
Okay, so this is the mime. Say hi, mime. This is I'm a model from the 80s, and I'm Nacho's sister, Chip, the luchador. What is she trying to do? What is she trying to? Are we all in the box? Oh. Okay. All right. Show us an elephant. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Show us a cloud. You know, like.
Listen up, y'all.
There's the one. It causes the opponent. That's right, it does. And there's the butterfly. You are mowing? Driving a semi-truck? Swimming? Riding? I mean, swimming very fast. Driving? This! Oh, you got it! Yeah! Anaconda squeeze! What was that?
Listen up, y'all, cause this is it. The beat that I'm banging is delicious.
Burgerlicious definition, make them